Hi, buddy. How are you doing? Huh? Hi, sweetie. Aw. Hi. Aw. You just gonna tuck your nose in there? Huh? What's wrong? Harley. Harley. Hi, Harley. You like your cheeks rubbed, Harley? Huh? Do you like your cheekies rubbed? Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Oh my gosh, it's like petting Andy. It's a male version of Andy. Yeah. Gotta get you used to your feet being touched. Oh, you're okay. I think it's easier when you're laying down. I gotta trim these up. You're okay. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset you. Boop, boop. Let me play with your little nosy. Oh, it's so wet. Oh, it's so soft. I ate your cheekies. Okay. Are you good? Are you gonna stay in here for the night and sleep? Huh? You gotta go potty? Okay. I'm gonna check on you first thing in the morning. And hopefully you didn't go potty in your crate. Okay. Should try and get you to go outside. But we'll figure it out.